Here's the fastest way in which you can enable the split screen mode using two apps at the same time for your Xiaomi phone with HyperOS 2. The fastest way to this here is, let's just say you have some apps open already and you want to make use of these two apps at the same time. So go ahead and enter into the recents view mode, whether you have the buttons here or the gestures, perform the recents view mode. And when you get into the recents view mode like this here, you will find the first app that you want to appear on the top area here and long press it. So long press it like this. And when you do this, you'll notice that this happens, this right here, these icons will appear. And I'll show you that again. So long press, these will appear. You'll notice this one here, the double rectangle ones here, that's your split screen mode. When I tap on this, it's going to appear to the top area here like that. And then the others that are open already will be available here. And once you select them, they will appear to the bottom here. And you'll now have your split screen mode. So you can navigate them both at the same time. And to exit, just simply swipe to the very bottom or to the top to close out one of them and go back to full screen mode, like and so.